It's holiday time for Dream Street's sleeping policemen. Usually they try to go to the sleepy land of Nod, but this time they're asking Tech for some holiday ideas.
How about water skiing in Dumpland? Or skiing in Snowland? Or a safari in tropical jungle there?
Well, they're amazing places, Tech, but a little bit sporty. Tiring.
Very tiring.
Oh, I see.
The sleeping policemen want to go somewhere more relaxing. Well, they would, wouldn't they?
Well, thanks anyway, Tech.
Tech, have you really been to all those places you showed them?
Yes, but that was a long time ago, though, buddy.
So do you miss travelling?
Yes, I miss it a lot. Electric elephants, buddy. I'm stuck here in the depot, aren't I?
Oh, dear. Tech is getting down in the dumps about not travelling anymore. Next, the sleeping policeman asked the gossips for some holiday ideas.
Well, I think you should all go to the seaside.
No, they need a fun park.
Oh, dear. Can't they agree on anything? The sleeping policemen have their own ideas. I know. We'll go to the land of Nod.
That's the place. Perfectly sleepy.
But the land of Nod is too far away. The sleeping policemen always say they're going there, but they never ever do. Oh, Tech is still feeling down in the dumps about being stuck at the depot.
But Tech, the depot is a nice place to live at.
I don't care.
This is not like Tech at all. Buddy thinks of an idea to cheer him up. The sleeping policemen go up Skipping Rope Bridge on their way to the land of Nod. At the top, the thought of the long journey ahead tires them out.
Nippercheck.
The gossips were right. It's back down for a nap.
Hey, Wild Bunch!
Buddy gets the Wild Bunch to come and help cheer up Tech. How? By telling them it will be loads of fun, of course.
Yeah!
The sleeping policemen roll into Peekaboo Park. They make themselves comfy and fall into a nice, deep holiday sleep. Snoring very, very loudly.
I thought you lot were going on holiday. Oh.
The sleeping policeman's snoring is so loud that the gossips are having trouble gossiping.
What? I can't hear you, Amber. Speak up. You're mumbling.
Oh, those sleeping policemen.
The Wild Bunch are ready to help Buddy cheer up Tech. But first, Buddy needs something magic.
Hey, ask me what the time is, Tech. Go on.
Okay, buddy. What's the time?
It's magic time!
Online and feeling fine, I suppose.
Yeah! Tech, it's time to cheer you up.
Oh, buddy! Electric elephants!
By taking you travelling round Dream Street.
You all got crazy!
The sleeping policeman's snoring has now turned musical. Listen. How funny.
Yahoo! Sleeping policeman! Sleeping policeman!
I tell you, Dream Street's gone mad. Mad!
Will you turn that noise down?
Well, the gossips are getting mad at least. That's mad as in angry. Meanwhile, Tech's magical tour of Dream Street is underway.
On the right, we have the Domino Building, the Saturn Building, and Half Pint.
Hi, Half-Pint.
Wow, Tech, you look like a king.
I had forgotten how amazing it all is.
Here comes Daisy on patrol.
Tech. I didn't expect to run into you out here.
I'm on tour, Daisy.
Buddy explains that he is showing Tech around Dream Street.
I hope the Wild Bunch are behaving themselves.
Uh-oh. I don't think so. The Wild Bunch spot hot air and chase after him, taking Tech on the ride of his life.
Tech, hold on!
They zoom into Peekaboo Park with Buddy racing after them. Oh, no! Tech's tumbled down the wishing well.
I'm coming, Tech!
Electric elephants, help!
Tech, are you okay down there?
Yes, just get me out, buddy.
Buddy has just enough magic left in him to get Tech out.
I think that's enough travelling for one day.
I'll say.
Buddy takes Tech back to the depot. Tech is happy to finally be home, safe and sound.
You know what, buddy? I really do like the depot best. New places are nice, but this is home.
It sure is, Tech. This is our home.
Even though they didn't really go anywhere, the sleeping policeman's holiday has still been very tiring.
Finally awake, I see. You snored so loudly we couldn't hear ourselves gossip. Talk.
Snoring? No. We don't remember snoring. Go
Ta-ra.
on, see ya.
Well, of course you don't remember snoring. You were asleep.